Okay, today we are trying Max with vanilla flavored filling. And then we are also trying
flavors by like Walkers, which I think is like their Lay's for us.
We're gonna let's get right in.
Give it a try.
Smells good.
It looks like vanilla.
Oh, it looks like
Like a little croissant.
It just looks like a croissant. Do you want to break it open?
Yeah.
So you can do it really close.
It smells kind of good though.
Yeah.
Oh! I guess
There
I'll
was
try.
Yeah, we just rip off pieces. That was for dramatic effect.
Okay, we're trying it.
Oh, it was good.
It's not bad. I like
This
it.
is just like
It's just
vanilla
like
filled croissant. Kind of just like a marshmallow.
Yeah. Okay.
I'd eat that.
It smells like chips.
Oh yeah.
They look like this. Like an S, kind of.
Oh yeah.
I've definitely like tried something like this before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're good.
They're good.
Kind of tastes like a potato chip, but like more
Yeah.
airy.
Really cheesy.
Kind of good. I really like them.
Alright.
I think I would like keep eating it if they were in front of me.
Yeah.
I don't think I would ever buy it.
Yeah. But
I agree.
what should we rate them?
Yeah.
This
So-
isn't bad.
Yeah.
I would eat that
I would eat that
as a dessert.
as a dessert or breakfast, maybe
Yeah.
if I'm feeling crazy.
Sweet. It's on the
Maybe like
sweeter
a
side. Yeah.
it's on the
six,
sweet.
seven.
So 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then these, I rate them like a 7. Like
Yeah.
a good snack, but I probably wouldn't like go out of my way to find them.
Nah, they're just like chips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, probably pick them up at an airport to eat them on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yay.